Hello everyone. Today we will talk about social media platform Koo. Koo shut down operations. In a surprising turn of events, Koo, the homegrown social media platform, once seen as rival to X, formerly Twitter, has shut down its operations. The announcement was made by the company founder Aparmeya Radhakrishna in a heartfelt LinkedIn post on Wednesday. Final update from Aparmeya Radhakrishna. Here is a final update from our end. Our partnership talks fell through and we will be discontinuing our services to the public. We explored partnership with the multiple larger internet companies, conglomerates, and media houses, but these talks did not yield the outcome we wanted, Radhakrishna said. Radhakrishna expressed the challenges of maintaining the app, citing high technology services cost as a major factor in the decision to shut down. While we would have liked to keep the application running, the cost of technology services to keep a social media app running is high, and we have had to take this tough decision, Radhakrishna said. About Koo. Koo was founded in 2020 as a multilingual microblogging platform, enabling users to interact via text, audio, and video. It quickly gained traction, especially during the disputes between X and the Indian government over the content moderation issues in 2020. The platform saw a significant influx of celebrities, government officials, and citizens, making it a popular alternative to X. Growth and achievements. In just 3 years, Koo amassed over 60 million app downloads, becoming the second largest microblogging platform globally. It supported more than 20 languages and had over 100 brands advertising on the platform. At its peak, Koo had about 2.1 million daily active users, 10 million monthly active users. Radhakrishna mentioned that the platform was just months away from beating Twitter in India in 2022. Challenges and closure. However, the company faced the numerous challenges over the past 2 years, including declining users numbers, layoffs, and revenue generation issues. Despite raising approximately 57 million from notable investors like Tiger Global, ASL, and Kalari Capital, Koo failed to secure Series C funding, which exacerbated its financial struggle. In the fiscal year 2021-22, Koo generated an operating income of only 14 lakh, up from 8 lakh the previous year, while its losses surged by 460% year on year to 197 crore. Conclusion. The shutdown of Koo marks the end of an ambitious project that aimed to create a significant homegrown alternative in the social media landscape. While the journey has come to an end, Koo impact on the digital space will be remembered. Thank you.